welcome to Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrea. I made a gift of some of these little pads of DSP over Christmas, and I made little boxes for them, and I just wondered if I could have made them a little bit better and used the envelope punch board. A bit of an afterthought, but I figured that would have probably been better. So I'm going to work through that with you to see if that will work. So I'm looking at the size of these pads then. They're 4x4 and then they're sort of 3/4 of an inch deep. So I'm thinking for a 4x4 card you'd need 6 7/8 by 6 7/8. And then we want to be adding 6/8, don't we? So I'm just thinking, let me grab my pen and my paper. So if we're going to be doing 6 7/8, but we want to be adding on 6/8, plus 6/8 is 6 13/8, which is 7 5/8. 7 5/8 square. Let's see if that works. So I'm going to grab I'll grab some Christmas paper. Right, so we want it 7 5/8 by 7 5/8. Oh, seems in a bit, Anna. 7 5/8 by 7 5/8. And then we want to be punching then at 3.5. And 4.25. And then we want to turn it, match those score lines up, punch and score. Turn it, match them up. And then I'm just going to burnish those score lines. Should I do it in the tartan or the soldiers? I think I'll do it in the tartan. Now what you want to do for this is choose one side, doesn't matter which side as long as it's one side, and you cut away these little squares in the corner, and then the opposite side you turn those into flaps. So you just cut up that score line there and up that score line there, okay, and then they'll just become flaps that will glue in and hold it like a box, because that's what you've essentially made, a boxed envelope. Okay, and then that'll glue. So now all you need to do is pop your glue of choice onto these little sections here, this little flap, This is my full Tombow as well. The thing is, I ordered from Stampin' Up on the 16th of December, and I'm not going to get it now till after Christmas because the 18th and 19th they were closed for stock check. Nothing moved on the 20th or the 21st, and then they're shut for Christmas. So that was a pretty poor show. They're a little bit... I mean, who closes on Christmas Eve these days? They were... yeah, they're a little bit... they always seem to be closed. And at important times as well. You know, they just updated the clearance rack. I don't get it. I don't get it. They just updated the clearance rack, so that's always busy. It was pre-order for Celebration, so that's busy. It was Christmas, so people ordering last minute crafting stuff for Christmas that they're just not going to get. You know, just surprises me. Everybody else steps their delivery game up at Christmas, but not Stampin' Up. It's a little bit stuck in the dark ages with its approach to post. So there we go. When that's dry, pop your little thing in, and look at that. Why did I faff so much? So if you have little 4x4 pads and you're looking for a way to wrap them up nicely to gift them to somebody, that's the way to do it. Okay. And if you wanted to, I suppose if you wanted to make that even deeper, 3.5 to 5. Yeah, I think we could make a deeper one. I'll try it. So let's get that. 8 3/8. 8 3/8. And then we're going to start it the same because we want the box 4.5. So we're going to start it the same at 3.5. Okay. So punch and score, but then we're going to make it even deeper. So we're going to go to 5, punch and score, and then turn it around. Oops, can't see those lines. Line up the score line, punch and score. You could pop a little book in there. You could fill it with sweets, homemade sweets or something, and it'd be just a lovely little gift. Now you can either stick a little bit of glue on there, or you can just wrap it with a ribbon. Those beautiful gifts, last minute envelope punch board, easy as you like, pretty little presents to go off to somebody who you'd forgotten about. Right. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in a minute. Bye bye.